Think of it as a fast tying for vines and young trees. With a 36-volt battery, it can make up to 8,000 ties per charge, 60 a minute, and recharges in 90 minutes. This mower uses camera and AI. It sees edges, steers around obstacles, and stays out of flower beds. Place the dock, set zones and schedules in the app, and go. It cuts randomly to avoid lines, updates over Wi-Fi, and always improves. Seeing your seedlings get smashed by the first rain hurts. These cloches sit over plants and have a spinning top ring so you can tweak air and moisture. Just set one down, adjust, and you're done. At $40, they're worth it. Plants like cucumbers and pumpkins often stall when they're too dry. Gardenia's Micro-Drip Kit waters right at the roots using a pressure reducer and drip heads you can set. It saves water, can run on a timer, and costs about $70. A while back, the United Nations said the world throws away over 900 million tons of food every year. That's honestly shocking. So the idea behind this compost machine is pretty simple. Instead of tossing food scraps, why not turn them into something useful? The Cavital Waste Cycler is a small electric composter you can keep right on your kitchen counter. It holds 3 liters and it doesn't take up much space. It also runs quietly, and in about 2 hours, it can shrink food waste by up to 90% and turn it into compost you can use. This pump is an all-in-one pressure booster called Scala 2. It lifts water 47 meters and delivers almost 4 cubic meters per hour. It stays under 47 decibels, light, and costs about $800. This leaf blower and vacuum is handy for clearing leaves without dragging a cable around. It blows, vacuums, and shreds, so the bag fills more slowly. It feels easier to move with wheels and a strap. It has a 10-liter tank and a 24-volt battery, giving 30 minutes of spray. Mist reaches 15 feet and covers 20,000 to 25,000 square feet per fill. Infaco engineers have worked for 40 years on these shears and have made 400,000. They're 790 grams and cut up to 55 millimeters with heads you can change. The F3015 runs 9 hours and it stops automatically for safety. You can add an extension pole to reach 5 meters. Skip bending for $36. This Yeto puller is light, a meter long, and comfy to hold. Step on the pedal, and 4 steel claws grab the root fast. Use it on lawns and gardens. Center it, press, lift, and then slide to drop.